Well, hi there. We're in Cedar Grove, Wisconsin. We're going to head to the south to Port Washington, Lake Michigan. It's going to be about a 12-mile ride down there, maybe 13, and then we'll come back. As you can see from the opening clip there, there's a chance of rain. But we're going to ride, especially after that video I made about riding in the rain. But we don't quite have all our proper riding gear, but we got enough, so we'll give it a go. Looks like it'll be a beautiful trail. Too bad it'll probably be cloudy the whole time, but come along with us and enjoy this ride. Well, after a little bit of road riding, we're on the trail. We just about went past it without even seeing it. Forgot to mention we're riding along the Ozaukee Interurban Trail. I think maybe that's how you pronounce it, but probably wrong. Goes from Sheboygan on the road a bit in this paved path all the way down to Milwaukee. So we're just doing a little section of it today. It's paved and it's free. So the trail here has good sections and rough sections. I guess they got $1 million from the state in this county to repave this trail from where we started down south of Port Washington. So 5 miles in, we hit our first town. So kind of hoping it was going to be more flat, but a little uphill here. Coming into Port Washington here, I think we took a little greenway down to the downtown area. Well, I can see that this isn't going to be much fun coming back. Looks like about a mile uphill. So now we are in Port Washington on Lake Michigan. Well, after a little exploring in Port Washington, nice beautiful little town, and a nice lunch there at the Dockside Deli, California melt with cheddar broccoli soup, we're all set to get back. I think we got about an hour and a half before a line of thunderstorms come through. I think we should be able to make it. We can bail out in Belgium and wait it out if we have to. Well, somebody was bike packing this trail or touring. Nice convenient location of the Holiday Inn Express here. We're coming into Belgium here, and we're gonna stop for some water, and I think we're gonna keep going. It looks like we can make it. We got about half an hour, maybe max. While we're having some water, I checked my phone. Looks like we got a good half hour before the rain starts, so we should make it. Been moving along about 16 miles an hour. We have a little bit of a helping wind, and we have, I don't know, maybe 3 miles to go. 4. You know, I was just thinking, we've been following these railroad tracks most of the way, so we've been biking along them for a couple hours and have not seen a train. Oh, a hawk up there. Coming back into Cedar Grove here, looks like we'll be just a touch under 31 miles for the whole round trip. No rain, so we missed the rain at the start, and then it's just about ready to start again. So perfect window for us. What a nice ride. It's a good trail. It's one you can make a nice bike touring loop from. I already have some ideas from Fond du Lac to Milwaukee and back in a big loop. Probably about 4 or 5 days. Be nice. Nice that it's paved since it's been raining so much. But Milwaukee area is pretty impressive when it comes to bike trails. Come on out and give it a try. Spend a few days here. Do some bike trails. Till our next adventure, we'll see you. And as always, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Man, did it open up and pour and lightning and thunder about 30 minutes after we got back, and we're on the road to Two Rivers where we're going to spend the night. We did stop along the way in Sheboygan and then also in Manitowoc where we got some nice ice cream. Thank you for watching our video. Like it if you liked it. Please comment below and subscribe so you can stay current with our adventures.